In this video we will learn about asphalt prime coat, asphalt tack coat and asphalt seal coat. Number 1. Asphalt prime coat. In asphalt construction, a prime coat is a preliminary application of bituminous material, such as asphalt emulsion or cut-back asphalt, applied to a prepared surface before the placement of the base course or asphalt pavement. It serves to seal the surface, improve bonding between layers, waterproof the base, and prevent the absorption of moisture from the underlying materials. This helps to enhance the durability and longevity of the pavement structure. Number 2. Asphalt tack coat. A tack coat is a thin layer of bituminous emulsion or asphalt binder applied to an existing pavement surface or between pavement layers to promote adhesion and bond between the layers. It's typically applied before placing a new layer of asphalt pavement or between layers of asphalt pavement during construction or rehabilitation projects. The tack coat helps prevent slippage between the layers, enhances the overall structural integrity, and improves the longevity of the pavement. Number 3. Asphalt seal coat. A seal coat, also known as a sealant or pavement sealer, is a protective layer applied to asphalt pavement surfaces to shield them from environmental elements such as water, UV rays, and chemicals, and to prolong their lifespan. It's typically made of asphalt emulsion or coal tar pitch, mixed with additives such as fillers, polymers, and rejuvenators. Seal coats help to seal small cracks, prevent oxidation, and enhance the appearance of the pavement. They're often used in parking lots, driveways, and other asphalt surfaces to maintain their integrity and prolong their service life.